If you're tired of spending hours on your hands and knees scrubbing floors, or if you want a cleaning tool that offers maximum power, versatility, and convenience, this Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop could be just the solution you need. Combining the power of a spin scrubber with the effectiveness of a mop, this two-in-one cleaning tool is designed to make your cleaning routine faster, more efficient, and much easier. Let's take a closer look at why the Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop is quickly becoming a must-have for households everywhere. Why choose the Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop? Say goodbye to manual scrubbing and hello to efficient cleaning with the Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop. With its adjustable handle, dual functionality, and long battery life, this tool can handle even the toughest cleaning tasks. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, grimy tiles, or hardwood floors, this tool is designed to meet all your cleaning needs. Here's why it's worth considering. Key features. Spin scrubber. The Cochejugar electric spin scrubber utilizes a powerful rotating scrub brush to tackle grime, dirt, and stains. It works wonders on tile, bathrooms, kitchens, and even pet stains. Mop function. Simply switch to the rag head for mopping, making it perfect for hardwood floors, linoleum, and other smooth surfaces. It's like having two cleaning tools in one. The Cochejugar spin scrubber comes equipped with a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering up to 50 minutes of continuous cleaning on a full charge. This is more than enough time to clean a large area without interruption. Plus, with its fast charging time of just 4 to 5 hours, you'll spend less time waiting for it to recharge and more time enjoying a clean home. The 800 milliliter water tank provides a generous amount of liquid for cleaning, reducing the need for frequent refills during long cleaning sessions. The tank capacity, combined with the power of the dual-function scrubber and mop, makes it ideal for deep cleaning large spaces, whether it's the kitchen, living room, or bathroom. The adjustable extension handle is perfect for users of all heights. It extends to a comfortable length, allowing you to clean without bending over. No more back pain from scrubbing floors. The 90-degree adjustable brush head allows you to easily clean corners, edges, and other hard-to-reach areas without any hassle. The IPX8 waterproof rating ensures the Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop is safe to use with water, even during intense cleaning sessions. You won't have to worry about damage caused by water splashes or spills. This tool is built to last. The self-standing function is a game changer, allowing you to store the Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop in any corner of your home without taking up too much space. Its lightweight design, weighing only 4.96 pounds, makes it easy to carry up and down stairs, while the bottom roller design reduces friction and allows for smooth, easy movement during use. Key benefits. The Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop provides a deep clean without requiring much effort from you. Simply hold the handle, press the button, and let the tool do the rest. The high-powered rotating brush and mop head make cleaning floors, tiles, and even walls fast and efficient. If you have pets, you know how challenging it can be to clean up pet hair and stains. The Cochejugar spin scrubber and mop effectively removes pet hair and stubborn messes, making it a must-have for pet owners. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or vinyl, the Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop works on all floor types. Switch easily between scrubber and mop functions to clean different surfaces with ease. The adjustable handle and ergonomic design ensure you can clean comfortably, no matter how long your cleaning session lasts. Plus, the self-standing feature means you can store the tool without taking up much space. Who should buy the Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop? This versatile tool is ideal for a wide variety of users. Busy homeowners. If you're short on time but want a deep clean, the Cochejugar electric spin scrubber and mop helps you clean your home faster and more efficiently. Pet owners. Dealing with pet hair and messes is a breeze with this tool. It's perfect for pet owners who want to keep their floors spotless. Families with kids, families with children will appreciate the long battery life and easy handling of this tool, which can handle everything from spilled food to bathroom cleaning. Anyone with physical limitations. If you struggle with bending down or find traditional mopping and scrubbing hard on your back, the adjustable extension handle and self-standing design make it easier and more comfortable to clean. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.